I'm going to demonstrate the use of WampServer. WampServer is a Windows web development environment. It allows you to create web application with Apache, PHP and the MySQL database. So let's begin. First of all, let me open the WampServer from the taskbar. Now you can see the WampServer icon. When user left click on the WampServer icon, we can see the different functionalities of the server. Like we can see the local host, different type of projects, PHP admin, Apache, PHP, MySQL. Apache, PHP and MySQL are the three basic default functions inbuilt in the WampServer, and user can access all the codes and server functionalities through these. We have other admin functionalities like start services, stop services and restart all services running in background, and we can also put online and offline the server. Let me explain this with an example. I have a PHP code with me. Now in order to run this code, let me copy this code and the file to the WampServer installation directory, which is C drive, WAMP folder and the www folder, which is created by default during installation. Now I am going to put my file in this folder. Moving to the next step, I have to open the web browser and write localhost along with the file name. You can see successfully the output is displayed in the browser. So that's the complete functionality